Okay, our next postdoc pitch competitor, we have Natasha, Anita from Neuroscience with the talk, An Ounce of Prevention, Repurposing Diabetes Drugs to Outsmart Alzheimer's. Competition.
Benjamin Franklin once said, "An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure." And Alzheimer's disease is one such condition in dire need of prevention. The disease costs our country $360 billion each year. You're going to need a lot more Benjamin dollar bills to cover that amount. And there is no cure for Alzheimer's disease. So recently, there's been interest in looking at preventative medications. Medications that we could give beforehand to stop the development of Alzheimer's in the first place. But what medication could we use for this? It takes 20 years for new medications to be developed and tested. One potential solution is to repurpose existing medications. Medications that have gone through the hoops and been vetted for safety and tolerability. Repurposing medications is nothing new. For example, many antidepressants have off-label uses for pain. And this is because depression and pain happen to share similar brain mechanisms. In our case, Alzheimer's disease happens to have similarities with type 2 diabetes. Both show insulin resistance in the brain. So, this begs the question, could diabetes medications be used to prevent Alzheimer's disease? To answer this, my lab recruited 6,000 people without Alzheimer's disease. We asked them about their diabetes medication use and measured their memory and thinking skills using neuropsychological assessments. We did this for 15 years and are now collecting the last bit of data. Once this is done, we'll be able to see if diabetes medication users show smaller changes in their memory and thinking over time, compared to people not on the medication and people without diabetes. We'll also watch out for people who had more serious changes in their memory and thinking. This is also called cognitive impairment, a precursor to Alzheimer's disease. If our data shows that diabetes medications protect against memory problems, then they could be given as preventive treatments for Alzheimer's. And this is important, not only because there's no cure for Alzheimer's, but also because diabetes medications have been around for decades. So they're safe, accessible, and can easily be prescribed by a physician when the time comes. So, like our dear friend Benjamin Franklin once said, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. And with our aging population, we need every ounce we can get. Thank you.